Okay, I'm going to talk to you today about the Windows PDM, the application that runs on Windows 7 and 8. To get to this application, we go to the salmontechnologies.com website, then go to Products, then go to Windows PDM Personal Data Modeler. When you get into this page here, please check that your laptop has .NET code installed. This is just a standard Microsoft development code area. Then select the download and install it. It should just follow the numbers. So essentially what you'll end up is with a application like this running as soon as you install it. This is what it should look like. Okay, start off in the top area on the left here where we select the models. Select the main user type or model. So let's go with, for example, the family one, which is the most complicated. Note, if I use the up and down arrow keys, I can cycle through the various models. And what this is actually doing is enabling and disabling certain areas of the certain data fields so that you will not have to, areas that will not need to be filled for certain models. Okay, so we've got our family model. We've chosen directories, template files, and web links. Some data in, we put our names in. Smith. Are you in a relationship? Are you married? Notice if you select or deselect this that the whole partner areas become unavailable. Okay, so let's choose country, Ireland, religion, Christianity, English, partner's first name. Oops. Okay, notice here this little use in directory. This is where the partner's family name may or by choice can be used or not if you select this button here. You can see in the little example there, C Kelly _ Murphy or else C Kelly. Okay, principal working status. Paddy is working in ABCD Limited, and Mary is actually a housewife. Notice this is deselected the company area name. Are you a business owner? No. Okay, hobbies and activities. Activity 1. So let's say Paddy likes soccer and rugby, and Mary likes swimming and cycling. They have 2 cars. There's the Mercedes, and there is a Mini Cooper. They have a pet called Fluff. Okay, now we have to choose the location of where the directory structure is going to be created. And we're going to put it in on the C drive, directly on the main root. Okay. Do we want to create desktop links and folders? We do. Will we locate large media files in a separate base folder? Yes. Okay, preferred cloud drive, preferred document format. Preferred document format is relevant for our template files. We'll just go with Microsoft Office. Dropbox or Google Drive. This is only relevant if you want to upload this directory structure to Dropbox in the future. Okay, we've got 4 dependents in this family, so select 4, and the names will be Jim, who is a son at school, St. Mary's, and he plays rugby and swimming. Got Jill, his sister, who's also at school. She goes to St. Bridget's. She plays hockey and sailing. Okay, then there's some grandparents, or some of the parents of the family. So there's Joseph, and he is a elderly man, dependent, and he likes to play golf and still goes to the gym a lot. And there's Siobhan, also elderly, and she goes to the bingo and the gym. Okay, now the properties, the house properties that are being managed by under the model as well. So there's 1, 2, 3 Highfield Road, and there's also, let's just refer to it as Mum's house. Okay, at this point all of the data input is completed. If we just hit File Save, and it'll make sure that we have this again. So this is just going to create a configuration file called Smith. This will be very useful then if we have to upload this directory structure to the cloud. So the only next thing to do is to hit Generate. This will take a couple of seconds. It's now creating the hundreds of directories. It's still working away. Okay, so within your newly created directory structure there is now 2,300 directories and 1,900 files were created. Okay, so we can now notice these shortcuts have been created on the left hand side of the screen, and let's see if we can find where the new directory structure is, because it's on the root. So Smith, so here's Smith, family Smith, and then each of the subdirectories. If we just have a quick look, this is where, again, in other videos you've probably seen where each car, etc., and each house. And what I like to show as well is the medical or legal documents. There is an area for each one, and the legal documents, for example, keeping all the driving licenses, etc., in the same area. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you how the shortcuts. So we've created 4 directories of shortcuts. There's Paddy's life, Paddy's family's life, and a couple of other directories for PC maintenance and ongoing. Let's go to family. So immediately see these shortcuts where you can get to the referred to house, for example, to the car. Now notice currently it's working on right click and go to open file location, and that's where we get to our directory structures. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you this one as well. So this is where all of the shortcuts are. This is how it works. So if you wanted to, for example, go to look for my travel, then you would go here and then open find location. My travel. Okay, enjoy.